Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something exciting and super useful, the UDP and UDP Request server setup on HTTP Custom VPN and SocksIP Tunnel app. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Your support really helps us bring more valuable tutorials every week. Now, let's get started. In this video, we'll learn how to create a fast UDP and UDP request server and generate config files for both 7 days and 30 days, all in one simple platform. This makes the process faster, easier, and more convenient for everyone. First, open your device's Play Store and in the search bar, type Custom UDP Beta. From the search results, tap on Custom UDP and then click the Install button. Once installed, open the app. Inside the Custom UDP app, you'll find updated premium servers for both UDP Custom and UDP Request, available for 7 days and 30 days. On the home page, you can explore multiple servers and configuration files designed for HTTP Custom VPN and SocksIP Tunnel. Let's start by checking out the 7 days UDP Custom active server. Tap to open it, then copy the server details, including the IP, port, username, and password, to your clipboard. Now, open your latest HTTP Custom app. Make sure to check the box labeled UDP Custom. Then, paste the copied server details into their respective fields. Once you've entered all the information, click the Connect button. Within a few seconds, your connection will be successfully established. Next, let's see how to download and use the UDP Custom Config method. Go back to the Custom UDP app and tap the Premium Config button. Now click Download Config to save the file to your device's download folder. Once the download is complete, open the HTTP Custom app again. Reset the app first, then tap the big plus button at the bottom of the screen. Select Open Config. This will open your Downloads folder. Tap on the config file you just downloaded. The file will import successfully in just a few seconds. When it's done, simply click the Connect button to enjoy a fast and secure internet connection. And if you want to learn how to set up a UDP request server and configuration on SocksIP Tunnel, check out the tutorial link in the description below. That's all for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.